Here we are at the Samgachi intersection. Just coming up towards the American Army base, the big one downtown here. We've also got the big Korean War Memorial on the left hand side here. And the reason I'm heading this way today is I'm off to see my mechanic, because there's been a new regulation put in place concerning aftermarket mufflers and exhaust systems. Apparently they're cracking down on the amount of noise that we're allowed to emit. My exhaust is a little bit noisy, I must admit. So I've got to go have a test at the mechanic to see if I have got a problem or not. Of course, if I still want to run red lights and violate pedestrian crossings, I think I'm probably still pretty safe with that. The cops here are a bit strange. They go on these periodic law enforcement strategies where they'll pick one particular aspect of the driving law, and then for 3 months or 6 months they'll just focus on that and seemingly let everything else go. For example, like this dude here will probably just go sailing straight through the red. Nope, well behaved. Oh no, there he goes. Oof. He'd lose his delivery guy membership card if he didn't go through that light. And there goes the taxi. See? Things are not a problem. There's my mechanic there, not the guy in the orange, the guy actually doing the work. Very good man, Susak. If you're in Seoul and you need a mechanic, this guy is not just a good mechanic, he also speaks English as well, which is great because my Korean's terrible.